In today's hyper-competitive business world, reaching potential customers before your competitors can be the key to success. ZoomInfo is the all-in-one platform designed to give businesses this competitive edge. Imagine uniting your sales and marketing teams around a single source of truth, streamlining operations and ensuring everyone is on the same page. With ZoomInfo, data is king, and having a single, reliable source of data can be a game-changer for your business. Backed by trusted data, ZoomInfo provides real-time insights to help you identify your next ideal customer. Engage customers across all channels from a single, unified platform, whether through sales calls, email outreach, or your business website. ZoomInfo helps businesses scale their go-to-market strategy, automate customer outreach, and simplify their tech stack. Proven results from over 35,000 customers show impressive improvements. 100% increase in win rates, 70% decrease in marketing spend, and 63% increase in overall productivity. ZoomInfo Revos is a multi-platform operating system that enables revenue teams to generate and analyze customer interactions, leading to more profitable conversations. ZoomInfo is not just a platform, it's a powerhouse that fuels business growth with trusted data, real-time insights, and automation capabilities.